Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get mods for Minecraft. Basically, it's kind of like an add-on that you can add to the game, and it'll add in new features, new blocks, new items, and many people use them. Like there's cars, there's lots of cool stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to get it. Now this only works on Minecraft Java, so if you're like on a mobile device this will not work because it uses Minecraft Java, and it doesn't work on like Minecraft Bedrock. There's a whole different like section to it. There's like add-ons for Bedrock, but that's different. We're not doing that today. Today we are doing Minecraft mods. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is head to files.minecraftforge.net. Now, basically, if you don't know what Forge is, it's basically like a, I guess like a Minecraft, I'm not sure how to explain it, but it's like a separate profile that lets you run mods. So basically, the way you want to do it, you want to find the mods that you want first, and then I recommend that you get the installer after. So what I'm going to do for this tutorial, I'm going to get a mod from Mr. Crayfish. So Mr. Crayfish, he's made a couple cool mods. Like he's made the vehicle mod, furniture mod, gun mod, all these cool ones. So I'm just gonna install a couple of them. So the thing you wanna check for is, as you can see, it says game version 1.16.1. You wanna make sure that you get the correct version of Forge so that your mods will work. Now, this other one, it says 1.12.2, but I don't think that it's been updated because it actually says 1.16 here. So I'm going to download both of these, and let's get started. So now that you've downloaded them, like I said, they're 1.16.1. So what we want to do, look for what version you're on. Maybe on 1.12.2, maybe on 1.15.2, some like different ones. So for this one, I'm going to use 1.16.1. And as you can see, it's just gonna say download latest. Sometimes if it's like it's an actual proper, not it's like if it's a lower version, they've probably got like a more recommended build. But for this, they don't have a different one because this is so new. So just download the recommended, or if there is no recommended, just click latest. If you're on Mac, I'm not sure exactly what you're supposed to click, but I think you click universal. But if you're on Windows like me, you want to click installer, and then that's going to start downloading. It's actually going to take you to this page first, and then it's going to count down, and then click skip, and as you can see, it's going to start downloading. And now we can close that window. So if you haven't already, you need to make sure that you've downloaded Java. So just search up Java download, and then it will take you to this page. And just go and install it. I'm not going to go over it because I've already installed it. Basically, click download. It's a very simple thing. It just downloads. And once it says complete, just follow these steps. So what we're going to do now, I'm actually going to start running Forge, not any of the mods, just Forge. Because basically what's going to happen when I click it, it's going to make this window pop up. And basically this window, it lets you like add that profile to Minecraft. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, it says welcome to simple Forge installer. It shows you what version you installed, and then there's 3 of these. So there's install client, install server, and extract. Install client, that's the one we want because it's gonna install it to the client. For this video we're doing install client, so make sure that's selected and then click OK. And you also have to have run the version. So if you haven't run 1.16 or whatever version you're on, you have to run it before it will do it, because it doesn't have those like files until you've actually run it. There we go, it says complete, successfully installed client profile Forge version 1.16.1 Forge, and then a bunch of these numbers, into launcher, and downloaded 16 libraries. If it says complete, you've done it correctly, and now you can click OK, and it's going to close. And now what we need to do, we need to actually put the mods inside the game. But before we do that, we need to actually go to the Minecraft launcher. So what's going to happen now, if it's your first time installing a Forge version, you need to actually run Forge. So what you want to do, you want to scroll down, you might find it somewhere here. I have a bunch of other ones because I've already installed like different profiles. but find the one that you installed. See, it's 1.16.1. It will match with the version you downloaded, and you want to click play. But for me, because it's not my first time installing Forge, I don't have to do it. But once you've done that, you can close the launcher. I'll just close it in case it doesn't like refresh or something. But what you want to do now, we need to put the mods inside of the Minecraft profile. So what you want to do, on your keyboard, you want to click Windows R. I'm not actually sure what it is for Mac, but basically what you want to do, you want to type in %app data %, and then what you want to do, click OK, and it's going to show you this folder. So basically, if you're doing this on Mac, you want to find the .minecraft folder. I'm not sure exactly how to find it there. You'll probably search it up. But basically, once you're here, you should be on a folder called roaming. You want to click .minecraft, and here it is. There's a lot more like folders for me than for you, because I've installed other different like shader packs, stuff like I've downloaded a lot more stuff. But basically, if you've done it correctly so far, you should have the mods folder here. And if it's not there, then try installing Forge again. If it still doesn't work, leave a comment below, because I'll try to help fix it. But what you want to do, you want to click mods, and now the folder should be empty. I don't know why it would be full, but now what we can do, we can start installing the mods. So I'm just going to drag in each one, furniture mod, and then vehicle mod. You can do it any order, it doesn't really matter. And we're just going to close these two, and as you can see, these are inside here now. We can just minimize it, and now what we can do, we can open Minecraft again, the Minecraft launcher, and it should start up, and now it should be there. It should still say 1.16.1. Make sure you're using the actual Forge, not just like some other version, because then it's not going to run Forge. And then click play. Now it might take a bit of time because it has to install some other libraries, because it's running a new profile. As you can see, 66 megabytes, nearly done. And depending on your Wi-Fi, it might take or your internet, it might take a bit of time. It might take a long time, but hopefully it shouldn't take that long, because it's not that big of a file. There we go. If it's disappeared, it's gonna start. And as you can see, it might scare you. You might think your Minecraft's being hacked or something, but it's not being hacked. It's starting. Forge is starting right here. It might take a bit of time, and then it's gonna have some stuff down there. As you can see, Mojang Studios, and it's gonna start. And here, okay. So something that we messed up. Sometimes your mods require some other kind of mods, like for this example, the vehicle mod requires Obfuscate, so we're gonna have to go get that. And sometimes you're gonna need some like core mods, so just research which mods you need for that mod for it to work. Sometimes it requires some other features that they just couldn't be bothered to put into the mod. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to click close here. I'm just going to close the launcher as well, and I'm just going to go install Obfuscate. So as you can see, I'll click Obfuscate, and now it's going to show up here. We just want to click download, make sure it's the most recent file, and you don't have to download the mods off CurseForge. You can get it off any website, but I use CurseForge mainly because like that's where most of the mods I use are. And then you want to do that. So what you can also do, go to that mods folder again, and then drag in Obfuscate. It might disappear, put that in there, and yeah, now that's there, we can start running it again. Click play, and because it's your, like, you've already ran it once, it's not going to show up that bar again. As you can see, it's already starting to load. There you go. Now it's doing some more stuff, and it's starting Mojang. And if we've done everything completely, then it should start. So for my example, I was using 1.16.1, that version of Forge, and as you can see, there's a warning at the top saying that there might be some issues. If you're using an older version like 1.15, 14, lower, this probably won't show up, but just don't be too scared. Just make sure to back up your worlds in case they go corrupted. Because this is Forge beta, there might be some problems, some bugs, some glitches. And yeah, so what we can do, if you want to check to make sure all your mods are actually installed, you can click the mods tab, and here Minecraft, that's always installed, that's just your actual Minecraft. Obfuscate, that's the one we installed just before. Forge. This is the one to run Minecraft, to run the mods. And then we've got Mr. Crayfish's furniture mod and Mr. Crayfish's vehicle mod. So if you're happy with everything in here, we can click done. And what we can do now, I'm just going to quickly test out the thing, see if it works. So I'm just going to click create new world. I'll make it a creative world, doesn't really matter to me. Allow cheats, I don't care. And let's just start. Okay, and as you can see, hopefully it's not lagging for you. I'm not sure. Is it lagging? Because before it was a bit weird. I just changed the profile on OBS in case it's lagging. Hopefully it's not. But now we can actually test it. So usually mods, what they'll do, they'll be still the same blocks on this page, and then what you want to do, you want to click the arrow, and it'll show you all the other blocks. So there's Mr. Crayfish's furniture mod. There's lots of tables, lots of chairs, lots of everything, and there's also Mr. Crayfish's vehicle mod. So what I'm thinking we'll do, I'm gonna start a new series, not really a series, but I'm gonna review some mods. So make sure to leave some mods that you want me to review in the description, the comments actually, and I'm just gonna try out some of these. So maybe the dune buggy, maybe the moped, and for this I'll just grab some cool stuff like maybe a chair, fence, I don't know, some of these. As you can see, that it is working. Depending on the mod, it might be different, I don't know, but as you can see, that's all cool. The fence, this also works. All of these things work. And now let's try some of these. Oh, look at that moped. Oh, look at that moped. It's working. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah. How you doing, sofa? Can I sit on you? And I'm pretty sure we can actually also sit on the sofa. Hey, let's go. That's pretty cool. So, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to click the like button. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I will be putting more Minecraft content up. I haven't been doing that recently, mainly Roblox. But I want to do more Minecraft content. So, make sure to do those things. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave some cool criticism or something. I don't know, constructive criticism, something. Put something cool in the comments, I don't know. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.